Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. I'm sure most of you know by now how much I love using organic items for my skincare, for my hair care. I really like using kitchen ingredients and just make some random concoctions to apply it on myself. So what I did was I divided this entire week into 5 different skincare remedies. So I tried 5 skincare hacks to solve different kind of skincare issues. It may be dark circles, pigmentation, acne, etc. So it was quite interesting, and I used everything natural, all organic kitchen ingredients, and this is basically to kind of motivate each one of you to go for all natural when it comes to your beauty care. So yeah, I had a lot of fun while doing this, and I could actually see the difference on my face and my hair. So let's begin. This is the first day and I'm going to treat my dark circles. For this, all you need is a few slices of cucumber, or just use any used green tea bags. Place them on your eyes and just let them be for 10 minutes. It helps in removing puffiness, the wrinkles, and also gently removes dark circles with time. Now day 2 is all about anti-aging. Japanese people use rice water for a younger looking skin, and I'm going to make a toner for myself. So I'm going to soak some rice in water like how you'd usually do before cooking. And after you've strained the rice, store the water in a container and use it as a toner. This will not only tighten the skin, but it will also improve the skin's elasticity by refining the skin's texture. It's day 4 and the most common problem that we all face is acne. Lemon is a deadly combination for the clearance of zits, blemishes and acne on the face. Just take half a lemon and rub it all across your facial skin. It has antiseptic properties, which makes it an excellent item to get rid of the breakouts. It's time to get rid of dark spots and uneven skin tone with a beauty mask. For this beauty mask, I would mix all the ingredients like turmeric, gram flour, curd, olive oil and honey. This can be used on a daily basis, even as a natural facial cleanser, and it really helps in removing the dark spots and the uneven skin that you have. It's the last day and I'll be treating open pores, though I don't have the issue of open pores too much, but it's still a very common issue. It's time to make another mask, for which I will be taking half a lemon and just a little bit of honey in it. Once it's made up in the form of a paste, apply it all over your face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. After it has completely dried, rinse it, and after washing, you will notice that your skin has instantly become so smooth, clear and clean. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your favorite natural beauty hacks that you like to use for your hair, for your skin, for your beauty, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye!